This would be a historic antitrust breakup.
Yes, certainly. I mean, it's the first time that we've perhaps seen Washington really trying to break up a major tech player since Microsoft, and that was unsuccessful about 2 decades ago. But this is a 32-page document that was filed by antitrust officials on Tuesday to the judge who found that Google had illegally monopolized the search market. So the ruling has been already made. It's really about the remedy now and what needs to be done here. So the DOJ is looking at behavioral, structural solutions to the problem. They're basically trying to prevent Google from using its products like Chrome, like Play, Android to advantage their own Google search engine over others in the market. So the things that they're looking at the most extreme end is forcing Google to sell off part of its operations. Another could be looking at forcing Google to supply the underlying data or give access to the underlying data that it uses to build its search results and artificial intelligence products. They could also be looking at requiring Google to allow websites more ability to opt out of its AI features. So there's lots of different remedies. As I said, this is a 32-page document, but certainly this is something that Google really does not want to see.
Okay, well, that might be unsurprising. Do we know anything more, Belle, on any reaction from the company so far?
Well, we just had some lines just crossing now from Google giving their response to this. So they're saying that the DOJ is, the proposals from the DOJ rather risk hurting their consumers, their businesses. I guess that's a little bit unsurprising. They're also looking forward to making their arguments in court. And remember, of course, this could end up being quite a drawn-out process here. They're saying that the blueprint as well from the DOJ goes well beyond the legal scope of the court decision. So certainly quite a strong reaction from Google. You could probably expect that, of course, given the extremity of what the DOJ is proposing in that 32-page document. But still, as we said, it's the first time we've seen the DOJ or that push from Washington to break up a major tech company since Microsoft. And again, that effort was unsuccessful.